Hello, lovelies. I'm Dr. Jyotsana, and here I am with the message that life is not a bed of roses. It has roses indeed, but it has thorns too. Those thorns, they help you to appreciate the flower, they help you to appreciate the hard times and the beauty of life. Sundar hai life. It's very beautiful. But only what you have to learn is that it's just not beautiful. है ना? It has got hardships also. It has got heartbreaks also. And you need to deal with it. As early as in life, you have to learn that if you believe that only good things are going to happen to you, then you're not fit to lead your life, darling. There will definitely be bad things happening, and you have to learn to deal them well, joyfully. Because if you think only good things will happen, then you will eliminate all the possibilities. है ना? आप अच्छा बुरा जब तक देखोगे नहीं, सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज ढूंढोगे नहीं, आप सिर्फ गुड 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 ही देखते रहोगे, तो यू विल नॉट बी एक्सपोज्ड इनफ. कहते हैं ना, एक अच्छा डॉक्टर वही है जो सब तरीके के केसेस देखे, अच्छे भी बुरे भी, तभी अच्छा डॉक्टर बनता है. इट गिव्स यू एक्सपीरियंस. लाइकवाइज लाइफ में अगर तुम सिर्फ अच्छा अच्छा ही सोचोगे, अच्छा अच्छा ही देखोगे, तो तुम सारी पॉसिबिलिटीज को कभी एक्सपोज ही नहीं होगे. आपको बुरा भी देखना आना चाहिए, आपको फेलियर भी देखना आना चाहिए, आपको उस फेलियर से डील करना है, जॉयफुली डील करना है, प्रॉपरली डील करना है कि हाँ हो गया, एक्सेप्टेड, हो गया, मैं फेल हो गया, मेरा हार्ट ब्रेक, नहीं मेरे पास ये चीज आज है. चाहे वो तुम्हारा सक्सेस है, चाहे वो तुम्हारा सिलेक्शन है, और या चाहे वो तुम्हारी टूटी प्यार की कहानी है. सो इन दिस मंथ ऑफ लव, आई वांट टू टेल यू, love is blind, darling, and you got to hit the bullseye. So you either choose to keep the 6 on 6 power to get that target, or you get blinded by love. You have to choose. Choose it or lose it. That is one thing that you have to do. कहते हैं ना, love says either my way or the highway. तो आपको चूज करना है कि what is your way. Choices is what makes your life better. हमने पढ़ा भी है, behavioral adaptation are choices what you make. Choices what you make for a better living, for a better survival. You have to choose what is important. You have to choose what is priority. Set the target. है ना? There will be days when you will fail. There will be days when you will feel that this was not supposed to be me. Why did this happen to me? Why did she do it to me? Why did he do it to me? Why did this happen to me? It happens to everyone. But whatever is happening for the good. And if it is bad, this too shall go. कहते हैं ना, every time passes away, good or bad. You have to learn to deal with it. There will be bad days. There will be sad days. There will be tearful days. But believe you me, there is a happy day coming for you. You just have to accept this. You just have to believe in yourself that life is not a bed of roses. It has thorns. But my darling, roses are red, violets are blue. There are 7 billion in the world, but there is none like you. Okay? You are the shining star. You are the rose of your life. You have to bloom. You have to, spread the fragrance that yes, no matter what was there, no matter मेरे साथ सब कुछ नहीं था, मेरे पास सहूलियत नहीं थी, मेरे पास वो मेरे साथ चलने वाले कोई नहीं थे, मैं अकेला था, मैंने फिर भी किया. मैं कर सकता हूँ, मैं आगे भी करूँगा. एंड वो क्या कहते हैं ना, तुम्हारे पास अगर नॉलेज होगी तो सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी. अगर तुम लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होगे तो प्यार करने वाले 1000 लोग आएंगे. सो आई वुड जस्ट टेल यू, डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम on something which is going to divert you. Keep yourself focused. ये सब आता जाता रहेगा. ये समय दोबारा नहीं आएगा. ये टाइम अचीव करने का दोबारा नहीं आएगा. ये छोटे छोटे कांटों को अपने सक्सेस स्टोरी में एक हर्डल बनने मत दो. ये आती जाती कहानियां चलती रहेंगी, बट जो आपने बनना है, जो आपने अपने आप को बनाना है, ये बार बार मौका नहीं आएगा. You have to keep your target set. एकदम अर्जुन की तरह आपको मछली की सिर्फ आंख दिखनी चाहिए, है ना. भीम की तरह ये नहीं दिखना चाहिए कि मछली जिस पेड़ पे है उस पे एप्पल भी है और उसके पीछे ये भी है और ये भी है. You have to set the target and you have to hit the target and you will be only able to do it when you accept that सब कुछ रहेगा, मुझे बस यही देखना है. ठीक है. I don't have to be blinded by anything for that matter, be it love or not love. Okay. What should be, by definition of dictionary, you know what is love? It's a deep connection to a person or a thing which is with intense feeling and emotions. That thing should be your selection. That intense feeling should be your selection. That love should be for your books and your knowledge that is going to get you selected. That should be your focus. That should be your Valentine for this February. And you should be dating it day in and day out until you get selected. Life is not a bed of roses, but it is going to be rosy if you get selected. So mark my words कि ये सब आता जाता रहेगा. मेरी तो PhD है इसमें, मैं तुम्हें बता रही हूँ लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंस से. बट what matters is what you become, what you choose. You will have all the choices to make in life. Everybody gets their shares of friends, but you get to choose when is the right time. Today is the time for you to study. Today is the time for you to learn. Today is the time to accept कि सब कुछ मेरे हिसाब से नहीं चलेगा, है ना. But you have to keep going. You have to keep the target in sight. And you have to keep coming back to it. नहीं, मुझे यही करना है, यही मेरा टारगेट है, मुझे अचीव करना है. Because there is none like you. And if you have to create that space in the world, you have to push yourself through it. You have to keep yourself away from the distractions. कहते हैं ना, say no to distractions, say yes to target. So on that note, please please please, ये सब, ये जो तुम्हारे दिल टूटे और दिल जुड़े और दिल दिल दिल, इस महीने को प्लीज थोड़ा सा focus that dill on your studies, focus that dill on your selection, focus that dill on your target, not on anything else. Because again, I will say, roses are red, violets are blue. There's 7 billion in the world, but there's none like you. Bye.